How to deliver projects on time using Peopleperhour. First of all, log into your Peopleperhour account and go to the Freelancer activity page. Here you can see all your active projects and waits. Click on the project that has been awarded to you to view its progress. Review all messages from the client and ensure that your work meets the requirements before submission. Scroll down and you will find different sections such as send message, video call, new proposal, raise invoice and more. This is where all communication, file sharing and project updates take place. Write a clear and professional message when delivering your project. Let the client know that the work is complete and that you are waiting for their review. Next, attach your completed files. You can browse your computer, drag and drop files and import from your portfolio if the files are already uploaded. Once the files are attached, click Send to submit the work. You will see a confirmation message that your delivery has been successfully sent. After delivering your work, it's time to raise an invoice. Click on the invoice button, fill in the project title, confirm the agreed amount, select the correct date and check the box confirming that the work has been completed and delivered. Click Send to generate the invoice. The invoice will now be visible in the work stream, showing the total amount and any balance pending approval from the client. Once the client approves your delivery and invoice, the payment will be processed according to Peopleperhour system. Always ensure your submission is complete, professional and timely to build trust and earn positive reviews from client. Now you know how to deliver projects on time using Peopleperhour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.